Hello students, welcome to our class. In previous lecture we have discussed about the BODMAS rule and we have also solved two examples on basis of BODMAS rule. Now next there is a point, use of off. Okay, so what is meaning of off? So see, if we have two boxes of 20 balls each, means what, we have two boxes and each box contains 20 balls. Okay, means what, we have two boxes of 20 means 2 of 20. Two boxes of 20 means what, 2 of 20. And see, 2 of 20 means there are total how many balls? There are 20 plus 20 means 40 balls. Okay, means two boxes of 20 balls each contains 40 balls. So here we get 2 of 20 is nothing but 40. 2 of 20 means 40. So what is meaning of off? Actually 2 of 20 means 2 into 20, and that is equal to 40. So meaning of off is multiplication. Meaning of off is multiplication. So whenever there will be off between two numbers, okay, see here there is a off between two numbers 2 and 20. So 2 of 20, here we get 2 of 20 is 40, means what, we multiply that two numbers. Okay, so meaning of off is multiplication. Meaning of off is multiplication, means what, whenever there will be off between any two numbers, means if there will be written 3 of 2. So what is 3 of 2? 3 of 2 is nothing but 3 into 2, and that is equal to 6. See, if there is 5 of 1, 5 of 1 is nothing but 5 into 1, that is 5. So whenever there will be off, just multiply that two numbers. Okay, again I will take again next one more example, that is see, 3 of 4. So now you can directly write 3 of 4 means multiplication. 3 4s are 12. Okay, so whenever there will be off between two numbers, then multiply that number. So 3 into 4 get 12. Okay, so you have understood that what is use of off. Okay, and we have to use this concept in the BODMAS rule. Actually our BODMAS rule, we use BODMAS rule for simplifications. Okay, so what is BODMAS rule? B stands for brackets. We have explained in previous lecture. B for brackets, O for off. Now see, our first steps in BODMAS rule is solve the brackets. Okay, solve the brackets. Now second step, if there will be off between two numbers, then multiply the numbers containing off. Okay, what is our first step? First step is solve the brackets. B means solve the brackets, and we have explained in previous lecture how to solve the brackets. Now if there will be off between any two numbers, then multiply the numbers. After that, D means division, M means multiplication. After division, do multiplication, then addition, and at last subtraction. Okay, so whenever you apply BODMAS rule in example, first solve brackets, then if there will be off, then multiply the numbers, then do division followed by multiplication, then addition, and at last subtraction. Okay, so now we will explain some examples depending on this off. Now see example. They have given example that solve or simplify 24 plus curly bracket in round bracket 6 divided by 3 minus 1 plus 5 curly bracket completed divided by 3 of 2 minus 3 into 7. Okay, they have asked to simplify this term. Okay, now we use here BODMAS rule. So what is our BODMAS rule? We first solve brackets, and in brackets what is our order? In brackets we first solve line bracket, then round bracket, then curly, and at last square brackets. This is our order. So see, there is no line bracket, so see, there is a round bracket, so we have to first solve this round bracket. Now write 24 as it is, plus sign as it is, curly bracket as it is. Now to solve this round bracket, now see, in round bracket there are two operations, division and subtraction. So what is our order? We first solve division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So here division and subtraction, so we have to solve first division and at last subtraction. So first divide 6 divided by 3, 6 divided by 3 gives you 2 minus 1. So our round bracket is not solved yet, so we have written as it is. Okay, we first divide it by 3, it gives 2 minus 1. Now write the remaining term as it is. Okay, now our second step, 24 plus curly bracket. Now this round, again solve this round bracket because we have not solved it. So 2 minus 1 gives you 1. Now it getting solved, so remove that round bracket. Now plus sign as it is, 5 as it is, curly bracket divided by 3 of 2 minus 3 into 7. Now there is only one bracket remains, and that is curly bracket. Now solve that bracket. First write 24 as it is, plus as it is. Now in the curly bracket there is addition, only one operation, so do that. 1 plus 5 gives you 6. Now remove that curly bracket, write remaining term as it is, divided by 3 of 2 minus 3 into 7. Now what I have told you, that first solve brackets, and if there will be off, then multiply the numbers containing off. Now see, here we have solved all brackets. Now in this step there is off between these two numbers, so we have to multiply that two numbers. So 24 as it is, plus 6 divided by 3 of 2. So we know that what is 3 of 2? 3 of 2 is 6. 3 into 2, 6. Minus sign as it is, 3 into 7. Okay, first solve brackets, then if there will be off, then multiply the numbers containing off. Now in our usual way, solve this, simplify this. Now here there are 4 operations, addition, division, subtraction, and multiplication. So what is our order? First solve division. So here division, so first solve division. So 24 as it is, plus sign as it is. 6 divided by 6 gives you 1, minus sign as it is, 3 into 7. Now there are 3 operations, so do after division we do multiplication. So see, there is a multiplication between 3 and 7, so write 24 plus 1 minus 3 into 7 gives 21. Now now there are two operations, plus and minus. So we first do addition. So 24 plus 1 gives you 25 minus 21. 25 minus 21 gives you 4. So we get the answer of this term is 4. So as like this you can do the calculations and use the off, means whenever there will be off, multiply that two numbers. Okay, now we will move towards towards the activity number 2. Activity number 2. In activity number 2 there is a question that is simplify using BODMAS rule. Simplify using BODMAS rule. And first example is 64 divided by 16 into, in round bracket, 3 plus 2. Now we have to simplify this term. So how we will solve this term? So write 64 divided by 16 into 3 plus 2, and we have to solve it by using BODMAS rule. So what is our BODMAS rule? Our BODMAS rule is we first solve brackets. So see, there is only one bracket, so first solve that bracket. So 64 as it is divided by 16 into, now solve this round bracket. So in round bracket there is addition, so do that. 3 plus 2 gives you 5. Now we have solved this bracket, so you can remove it. Okay, now see, we have solved all brackets. Now after brackets, if there will be off, then multiply that two numbers. So here there is no off, so we move further. So now there are two operations, that is division and multiplication. So we first do division. So 64 divided by 16 gives you 4, because 16 4s are 64. Okay, we have to do this calculation. Now into 5. Now 4 into 5 gives you 20. So therefore 64 divided by 16 into 3 plus 2 is equal to 20. We get answer 20. So it is easy to apply BODMAS rule to solve the simplifications. Okay, now there is a second example. Second example is 3 plus, in square bracket, curly bracket, in round bracket, 4 divided by 4 plus 1, curly bracket completed, into 8, round square bracket completed. Okay, now we have to solve it. So what is our answer? First write given term as it is. 3 plus square bracket, curly bracket, round bracket, in round bracket, 4 divided by 4 plus 1, curly bracket completed, into 8, square bracket completed, is equal to. Now we have to solve it by using BODMAS rule. So in BODMAS rule we first solve brackets, and in brackets we first solve line bracket. So there is no line bracket. Now after line we solve round bracket. So see, there is a round bracket, so we have to first solve this round bracket. So write 3 as it is, plus as it is, square bracket, curly bracket. Now solve this round bracket. In round bracket there is only one operation, that is division. So 4 divided by 4 gives you 1. Remove that round bracket, write plus 1, curly bracket, into 8 and square bracket. Now see, there are two brackets are remaining, curly and square. So first solve curly. So write 3 as it is, plus square bracket as it is. Now in curly bracket there is addition. 1 plus 1 gives you 2. Remove that curly bracket, into 8 and square bracket as it is. Now again there is a one bracket remains, so 3 plus. Now solve this square bracket. In square bracket there is only one operation, that is multiplication. So do that. 2 into 8 gives you 16. Remove that square bracket. Now we have solved all brackets. Now just simplify it. And there is only one operation, that is addition, and 3 plus 16 gives you 90. Okay. Now question number 3, example number 3 is curly bracket 32 minus round bracket 15 plus 7 round bracket complete curly bracket complete into 2. We have to simplify it. Now write the given term as it is. 32 minus 15 plus 7 into 2. Okay, now we first solve. See, there are two brackets, this is round and curly. So first solve round bracket. So write curly bracket as it is 32 minus. Now in round bracket there is only one operation, that is addition. So 15 plus 7 gives you 22. Remove that round bracket. Now curly bracket as it is into 2. Now there is only one bracket, so solve this. In curly bracket there is a subtraction. So 32 minus 22 gives you 10. Remove that curly bracket into 2. Now 10 into 2 gives you 20. Okay, so there are simple examples and you can solve it. Now number 4, in square bracket 32 plus curly bracket 44 minus round bracket 32 divided by 4 round bracket complete curly bracket complete square bracket complete. Okay, now in answer write this term again. Now solve it. So what is our in BODMAS rule? We first solve brackets. So see, there is a round bracket, curly and square. So we first solve round bracket. So write square bracket as it is 32 plus curly bracket 44 minus. So in round bracket there is a division. So 32 divided by 4 gives you 8, because 4 8s are 32. Remove that round bracket. Now write curly bracket and after square bracket. Okay, after solving removes the bracket. Now there are two brackets are remaining, curly and square. So first solve curly. So write square as it is 32 plus, in curly bracket there is a subtraction. So do that. 44 minus 8. When we subtract 8 from 44 we get 36. Okay, so curly bracket gets removed, square bracket as it is. Now here there remains again bracket, and in bracket there is addition. So 32 plus 36 gives you 2 plus 6 8 and 3 plus 3 6. So your answer is 6 plus 2 8 and 3 plus 3 6. So your answer is 68. Okay, now example number 5 is in curly bracket 5 plus round bracket 48 divided by 12 round bracket complete curly bracket complete minus 2 into 3. Okay, so 2 into 3. So we have to solve, simplify that term. Now in answer write this term as it is. Now what is our first step? We first solve brackets. So see, there are only two brackets, round and curly. So first solve round bracket. Now curly bracket as it is, 5 as it is, plus as it is. Now in round bracket there is a division. So when we divide 48 by 12 we get when we divide 48 by 12 we get 4, because 12 fours are 48. Okay, 12 4 the 48. Now round bracket get removed and write curly bracket as it is. Okay, after that minus 2 into 3. Now again there remains one bracket, that is curly. Solve that bracket. In curly bracket there is a addition, so 5 plus 4 gives you 9. Remove that curly bracket, minus 2 into 3 as it is. Now see, we solve all the brackets. There remains two operations, subtraction and multiplication, but in BODMAS rule we first do multiplication. So 9 as it is, minus as it is. 2 into 3 gives you 6, and 9 minus 6 gives you 3. Okay, so example number 6 is 17 plus square bracket 8 minus curly bracket 5 plus round bracket 10 divided by 5 round bracket complete, curly bracket complete, square bracket complete. Okay, so now answer that is equal to, so there are three brackets, round, curly and square. So first solve round. So write 17 plus as it is 8 minus curly bracket 5 plus. Now see, in this round bracket there is a division, so when we divide 10 by 5 we get answer 2. Remove that round bracket. After round bracket there is a curly bracket and square. Now 17 plus square bracket as it is 8 minus, solve this curly bracket. In curly bracket there is addition, 5 plus 2 gives you 7, curly bracket gets removed, square bracket 17 plus, in square bracket there is subtraction, 8 minus 7 gives you 1, and 17 plus 8 1 gives you 18. Okay, so as like this you can solve the question. Example number, your homework is, you have to solve these 6 examples in your notebook, and you have to solve example number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13 and 14. Okay, these are simple examples, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13 and 14. Now it remains example number 12 and 15. So I will solve it. Example number 12. Okay, these are simple examples, that why I have given to you for solve it. Okay, so now example number 12 is 9 plus curly bracket 20 minus 3 of 5 plus round bracket 20 plus 40 minus 25 plus 5 round bracket complete, curly bracket complete. Okay, so in this example there is of, okay, and also there are brackets. So to solve it we first solve the brackets. So see, there is curly, round and curly, there are only two brackets, so we first solve round bracket. So write as it is, 9 plus curly bracket 20 minus 3 of 5 plus sign as it is. Now in round bracket there are three operations, addition, subtraction, addition. So we first do additions. So see, round bracket as it is, 20 plus 40 gives you 60, minus sign as it is, 25 plus 5 round bracket complete, curly bracket complete. So 9, we don't have solved this round bracket, so we must do next step, 20 minus 3 of 5 plus. Now see, in round bracket there is a subtraction and addition, so we first do addition. Okay, so here uh, 5 is added to 60, not 25, because 5 is subtracted from uh, this 60. Okay, so 5 is, here there is a plus sign, so and here minus, so we first do additions. So 5 is added to 60, not 25, you have learned it. So 60 plus 5 gives you 65, and then subtract 25 from 65. Okay, because there is a minus sign. Now 9 plus curly bracket 20 minus 3 of 5 plus, now in round bracket there is a subtraction, 65 minus 25 gives you 40. Now round bracket getting solved, so it get removed. Now write curly bracket as it is. Now 9 plus, now to solve curly bracket, there is a subtraction, addition, and also off. So 20 minus, so it is 3 of 5, 3 of 5 is 15, we know that, multiplied, plus 40 as it is. Here again, to solve this curly bracket, see there are two operations, subtraction and addition. So here 40 is added to 20, not to 15, because here is subtraction. So 40 plus 20 gives you 60, and minus 15 curly bracket as it. Now 9 plus, in curly bracket there is a subtraction, 60 minus 15 gives you 45. Now 9 plus 45 gives you 54. Okay, it's your answer. So these calculations, so whenever there will be minus and plus, so first added the number. So here 5 is added to 60, not to 25, and here also 40 is added to 20, not to 15. Okay, so if we do this calculation first, then your answer will be wrong. So first added 40 to 20 and then subtract 15 from that addition. Okay, now answer of this example number 12 is 54. Now what remains? 13, 14. Example number 15. Okay, now example number 15 is, number 15, 17 plus square bracket 11 minus curly bracket 8 plus 3 minus round bracket 9 of 6 plus 7 minus 13 into 4, round bracket complete, curly bracket complete, and square bracket completed. Okay, so this is complicated, but this is not complicated. If we solve step by step, then it can easily get simplified. So see, there are round bracket, okay, curly bracket, and square bracket. So first we have to solve round bracket. So write 17 as it is plus square bracket 11 minus curly bracket 8 plus 3 minus. Now we have to solve this round bracket. In round bracket 9 of 6 means we have to multiply. There is off between two numbers, so 9 of 6 means 9 6 are 54 plus 7 minus 13 into 4, round bracket complete, curly bracket complete, square bracket completed. Now this round bracket not getting solved, so we have to solve it. 17 as it is plus square bracket 11 minus curly bracket 8 plus 3 minus. Now in round bracket there are three operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication. So we first do multiplication. So write 54 as it is plus 7 minus. 13 into 4 gives you 52, round bracket, curly square. 17 plus square bracket as it is 11 minus 8 plus 3 minus. There are remaining two operations. So in plus and subtraction we first do addition. So 54 plus 7 gives you 61 minus 52, round bracket, curly bracket completed, square bracket completed. Now 17 plus in square bracket 11 minus curly bracket 8 plus 3 minus. In round bracket now there is only one operation, that is subtraction, and 61 minus 52 gives you 9. Round bracket get removed, curly bracket as it is, square bracket as it is. 17 plus, now we have to solve this curly bracket. So square bracket as it is, 11 as it is, minus as it is. In curly bracket there are two operations. So 8 plus first do addition. 8 plus 3 gives you 11 minus 9, curly bracket, square bracket. 17 plus square bracket as it is, 11 minus. Now see, there is only one operation in curly bracket. 11 minus 9 gives you 2, curly bracket get removed, square bracket as it is. Now 17 as it is plus there is remain only one bracket, that is square. In square bracket there is only one operation. So 11 minus 2 gives you 9, square bracket get removed. Now see, there is only one operation, that is addition. 17 plus 9 gives you 27. Sorry, 26. Okay, 26. So if you can solve step by step, then you can easily get answer. And whenever there will be of just multiply that two numbers, and in board muscle first solve brackets and then do other calculations. Okay, thank you.